Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to replay Snap on Snapchat. So let's begin the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. So what you need to do is you will simply open your Snapchat application. So you will go to your messages and there are some of the snaps. So we will simply tap on any of the one snap. So now we have to replay it. So you will simply go to this chat and you will press and hold. When you will press and hold, there will be option of replay. You will simply tap on replay. So that it's replaying. So you can have another of the Snapchat. You can also replay it. So this is the simple process. What you need to do is simply hold and press it and the snap will be replayed. So look, the snap has been replayed. So this is the simple process of replaying the snap on Snapchat. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.